What's up, guys? Welcome back to Race Spec. I know it's been a while. Long-standing build. So this video, I'm going to explain everything that's done to the truck, why I haven't posted it in a while, and we're going to do some pulls for sure. Right around 1,000 wheel horsepower now, but you know, everything's not without its complications. So let's talk about it. It's going to be pretty wordy, but going to go through the entire setup, everything that's done, and what these complications were. So yeah, we'll go through it. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a quick little walk around on this truck right now. And so I know I was doing consistent videos on this vehicle, right? We were swapping the steering wheel and all that kind of stuff. You're gonna ask yourself what happened there, and I'm gonna tell you. But yeah, here's the truck, clean as always. Just took it to the mountains, actually. It is still a 4x4 F150, so you get all of the, you know, you get the 4x4 capability. It's still very spacious. I daily drive this truck every day. So I have 11,000 miles on it now. When I think last time I did a video for you guys, I had right around 6,000. But yeah, here's the truck. So the big reason, let's dive right into it. The big reason I wasn't making videos on it is, as you remembered, I was building a 9-second truck. The diff blew up at the track, got that fixed, went to the track again. And I didn't upload this video because it was just like, I was just tired of uploading failures to you guys. And there was like 10 of these videos that I never uploaded, mostly because I didn't want to waste your time. But I was with my good homie, Rudy Canal at AP Performance. Check him out. He's in a lot of my videos. He's building a GT500 to run 8s on stock blower. But we went to Irwindale, right by, you know, his area. And the truck, you know what? I'm going to try and link that video here, but the truck went like not even halfway down the track, went on lip mode, and I still ran, I think, like a 7.9 at 60 miles an hour or something like that. But the issue was the throttle body. The throttle body was throwing the truck into lip mode. So then I had to order a new throttle body. I went from a mono blade 163R millimeter, whatever it is, to a dual 69. And I thought that was gonna fix the issue, right? Makes sense. I'm gonna pop the hood for you, actually. So I put the new throttle body on, and I was like, you know what? Like, maybe we can hit the track, do something. I throw a new throttle body on. Everything's great for like maybe a week max. And then look how clean this truck is still inside. Like, I mean, 11,000. This truck will have probably 50,000 miles soon if I don't sell it, because I daily drive it now. But man, it's as clean as ever. So yeah, the new throttle body started giving me issues as well, right? No longer a mono blade. It was now a dual throttle body. Here, give me bear with me here. Not really strong enough for this. Give me a sec. All right, there we go. So here we are. We got a new throttle body, and it was giving me issues. So once again, had to wait for the replacement throttle body. That took like 2 weeks to get to me. I put it on, finally no issues with that, right? So you would think, oh, Ray, now we're solid, bro. We're chilling, we're ready to go. Let's run this truck, right? Well, that's what I thought. What happened next was my AC went completely out. My air compressor was out. I had no air conditioning, none of that. And I didn't have the truck for over 2 months. It was at the dealer. The AC compressor was on back order due to the pandemic or whatever. So actually, one step before this, I put a Circle D torque converter on the truck, and I absolutely hated how it drove on the street. Obviously the RPMs are always super high. I mean, I never truly dialed it in with Lunds, but it made my IATs go high. I hated it on the street. So when I took it to the dealer for the AC compressor, I had them put the stock converter on. But yeah, I didn't have the truck for 2.5 months. They were waiting on parts. So not only did the AC compressor go out, but the entire pulley assembly got mangled. It was just destroyed. So I had to get a Hellcat pulley for it. And everything was supposed to be fine, right? Well, I daily drove the truck for a week, and lo and behold, the AC compressor is out again. And it's still out. It's still out, guys. but it's been cold lately, so I haven't really needed it, but it's gonna start warming up pretty soon here. But I have a few friends coming into town in a couple weeks, so you know, they want to see the truck, they want to go mob around in it, so definitely wander around for that. Unfortunately, they will not have the comfort of air conditioning, but after, you know, that's all said and done, I'm gonna go ahead and get that fixed for you guys. But the truck is all done now. This was part of the dealer's fault. They said it fell off. Not really sure how something like this falls off, because I'll show you the next side. I'm gonna guess they probably hit a pole or something and damaged it, so they pulled it off. But look at this. This doesn't just fall off, guys. These are OEM mirrors that got painted at the dealer and put on. Like, the tabs should be fine. But anyways, it's been like 2 months. They still haven't gotten me the mirror cap, so I had my body shop, Bell's Auto Sport in Huntington Beach, California. I had them order me 2 new ones and paint them. And when they're in, I'm gonna just pop both in, because these mirror caps and these door handles are actually gloss black. Because I'll show you the paint on this truck. It's actually, this truck is a gate black, which means it's got a metallic flake to it, right? Well, their body shop at the dealer didn't get the memo, and they did the door handles in gloss black. So they only charged me for the parts. They didn't charge me for install. They didn't charge me for paint, nothing like that. And, you know, gloss black, metallic black, not a big deal. I don't really mind. Still annoying, but it is what it is. So there's the deal on that. But yeah, so those are the big holdups. But also with the converter, I only torqued it to 800 RPM and I spun all fours, so I don't need a converter for that. Might get a drag pack on it though. Might get a drag pack through weld, so we'll see what's up. But yeah, in case you guys forgot about the truck, 1,000 horsepower build. It's on 18 pounds of boost. Don't have an official dyno yet, but I will go ahead and do that. I mean, 1,000 wheel horsepower depending on the dyno and the weather, right? It could be 880, it could be 950, it could be 1020.
How many liters?
But that's a 5 liter.
This is a 5.0?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, sorry guys, one of the guys at the local area wanted to check out the truck, but yeah, the truck's all ready. Should be right around that power level. We got well, I'll show you guys. We got the VMP Odin supercharger. It's got the smallest pulley on there. You can see it right down there. It's the 69 millimeter that they offer, which is the smallest pulley offered for the Odin. And we got the American Racing headers, Longtube headers. Got the 4 return style fuel system with dual Hellcat pumps. We got ID 1350 injectors and built transmission with McLeod clutches. We also have drag radials, and it's tuned by Lund Racing. So I think that's about it. I think that's all of it. So I guess standard Coyote with 18 pounds. Stock motor. Obviously it's got oil pump gears. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Is this a rock chip? Oh, did this go? No, that didn't go through the clear, bro. Well, get your cars clear, bro, guys. That's what we learned here. But yeah, so that's what it is. We're gonna go do some pulls in it right now for you guys. So thanks for holding up. I just kind of wanted to explain what was going on, because I know you guys haven't seen this truck for a while. Also, I started a corporation. I've been working a lot, so YouTube didn't really become my priority anymore, right? $200 a month doesn't outweigh whatever I'm making on my actual business. But you know, that's for like the business side of the channel that I haven't really gotten towards yet, but I will do that playlist. So yeah, so I've been neglecting you guys, but that's the deal with this truck. I'm gonna do something similar with the RST, because you guys are wondering about that as well. Actually, probably gonna sell it. But without further ado, let's go do some pulls on the way to the gas station.